Mr. Salman Khan, ladies and gentlemen, yes, the wait is over. And with the cheers, please welcome Mr. Salman Khan. I'd like to hear a round of applause for a man. I think it's time to get the enthusiasm going, so I'm going to do this one more time. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the face of the Indian Supercross Racing League, Bollywood megastar, youth icon, and the man who now flirts with dirt. I want to hear it once for Mr. Salman Khan. Right, let's start the evening now. Right, sir, thank you so much for being here.
You're more than welcome.
Yeah. The thing is that sir, everybody wants to hear from you. How does it feel to be over here, sir, today? Whoa! Put your hands together. That's what we're talking about.
ये दबंग फोर के लिए था. So I think this is amazing. Nana, I've known Ishan and Veer. In fact, Veer was named Veer after Veer, the film. Father Raju called me up and he said कि यार पिक्चर बहुत अच्छी लगी. वैसे सिर्फ आप ही को अच्छी लगी, इसलिए वो मैं अपने बेटे का नाम वीर रखना चाहता हूँ. Just kidding. जब तक वीर रिलीज हुई ये ऑलरेडी बाहर थे और मोटरसाइकिल पर थे. So I've known these guys for the longest time. So I remember I was doing a film called Race, और उसमें एक मोटरसाइकिल का सीक्वेंस था. So I got in touch with them. Remember that? And they came to teach me how to ride. I mean, I knew how to ride, so they were riding with me at the farm, and they also came to Thailand where we shot it. And ये थाईलैंड में मोटरसाइकिल से नहीं गिरे, लेकिन रात को एक दो बार ये गिर गया. Yeah, so you know, I've always been a rider, and hi baby, hi. I've always been a rider. Always liked when some cycle se leke motorcycle tak, and I really enjoy that. I can't do this often right now, but I still do ride at the farm. These guys have helped me make a track, so I ride on the track. अभी वो jumps वम्स नहीं करता मैं, because shooting पे भी जाना पड़ता है कि थोड़ा सा गिर आ गया तो 3-4 महीने, not be able to shoot. Yeah, पूरे safety gear वगैरह से. See, I live in Bandra, and ये जो highway जो है हमारा, ये जो हम लोग film city थाना जिसमें जाते हैं. So there's this group of guys, lots of them, they ride bikes there, and for a little bit of money. And I myself have carried some 3-4 kids to the hospital. And इस highway पर बहुत सारी deaths हुई because of racing. They race on the roads and between cars. So I just think that if you need to race, we have this now. Come aboard and practice with us and race with us for a larger sum of money and with proper gear. I think that racing on the road is not only safe for you but for other people as well. So अब ऐसी कोई टीम थी ही नहीं, ऐसा कोई क्लब था ही नहीं. अभी आ गया है ये Indian Supercross Racing League. So a lot of people can, now join us and start racing professionally. Correct? That. और क्या बोलूँ मैं? क्या? हाँ? और क्या बोलूँ बस ना? मेरा बाइक एक्सपीरियंस, मेरे बाइक एक्सपीरियंसेस बहुत हैं मेरे बाइक एक्सपीरियंसेस। और एक आध दो बार गिरा भी हूँ। अरे एक मैं आपको एक किस्सा सुनाता हूँ। So I thought my father was upset with me one day and he went to the farm. This is about time पहले की बात है। और मेरे पास उस वक्त एक हायाबुसा हुआ करती थी। So I said चलो I have to go to the farm and apologize to him. So I rode there. Now while I was riding, I was not wearing a helmet and my cap was ulta and my cap flew. And I said, Bapre, this is not the way to ride at all. And then I rode very slowly at 35-40 kilometers an hour. And I reached the farm. I took a left turn and the bike skidded. And we went into the jungle. I tried to pick up the bike. I couldn't pick up the bike. Then my car came behind me. We all picked up the bike. Got the bike on the road again. Started riding again. Took a right turn and the bike skidded again. There's a lot of gravel there. Anyway, यहाँ से पूरा छिल गया था, pink हो गया था. So I went ahead. Went to see my father. He said, "अरे, तुम इधर क्या कर रहे हो?" I said, "No, I just thought that you were upset with me." He said, "नहीं, मैं तो farm पे आ रहा था." तो he said, "अच्छा, तुम आ गए यहाँ पे?" He said, "क्या हुआ?" I said, "कुछ नहीं, वो बहुत सारा gravel था और skid हो गया मैं." तो he said, "कितनी बार?" इस तरह भी, he said, "2 बार." He said, "तुमको बाइक पे चलाने आती नहीं है, तो तुम काय को चलाते हो यार?" तो he said, "लाओ, मेरी बाइक निकालो." So we got his Triumph 100, Tiger 100, and then he rode it, and then I took another bike, and me and my father went for a long ride in the night at the farm. So that was a really good experience that I had. वो heal होने में कुछ काफ़ी time लगा. Thank God no bones were broken, but it was a good experience.
A memorable experience, sir.
And I remember one more experience is that when I learned how to ride a cycle. So my father got me a cycle for 25 paisa for an hour ka bhada. I must have been 4 or 5. So he was holding me, he was holding the seat, and he took me ahead. And I thought he was still holding me. And so we used to live in Old Kantwadi at that point in time. So there was a small patch. So I went ahead, I took a turn, I came back, and I saw him standing in front of me. I realized that, oh shit, he's not holding me. And I came right next to him and I fell. Because I thought that he was holding me, so that support was there. You know, that confidence of my father holding me was there. And I fell, and my father looked at me and said, देखो, चलाते रहो, उठो और चलाओ. तो एक पिलर का हाथ होना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है आपके पीछे. वही आपको confidence देता है. Like what my father did for me.